Welcome back to another video in the custom bike build series that I'm currently doing. In the last video we talked about the carbon SPD pedals from Shimano, the R7000s, and the two electronic tire inflators. I hope you enjoyed that video. I was struggling for content at that point. Because today I'm going to show you this. So this is, in my opinion, a work of art. Now when I say art, I'm talking about the custom paint job. The frame itself is spectacular, super light. Okay, it's the Elves Bike Falath Evo 2025, and yeah, it's a complete carbon seat post, carbon frame, and yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it's UCI approved. Doesn't make much difference to me. I'm not going to be racing anytime soon. I just got it to build, really. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like the colour? Initially the actual lettering was supposed to be white. I was going with the red, white and blue theme. The blue itself is a baby blue. The reason for the baby blue is because the navy blue that I was looking at was a little bit too dark, and I wanted something a little bit vibrant, a little bit poppy in the videos. And you know, when you're riding around, it's not a case of look at me, but it's like, look at that bike looks awesome. So yeah, the lettering is actually chrome, which, you know, in the right light is pretty cool in my opinion. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I'll show you the fork steer in a sec. So this guy here, so you've seen the bike, well, where is it? It's this side. The red starts at the front and then goes down to blue. So yeah, that's the fork steer. So yeah, I think that's most of the parts I've covered in the build series so far. Yeah, it is. So I guess the next video we'll get to building this guy. Oh, one thing I just want to cover. Before putting the seat post into the bike so I could put the bike frame onto the stand, I had to install the Shimano Di2 battery and the trailing electrical cables to the rear derailleur and front derailleur. So those are hardwired in now, just so I could get the frame on the stand. I thought I covered that in the previous video, obviously didn't, but yeah. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you're new here or you just stumbled across this video somehow and you enjoy what you're seeing, content wise, no one likes a baldy talking nonsense, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.